How to turn off active status on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off active status on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the menu section, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And now here, just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, what you have to do is you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as active status. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see one option. So here, if this option is toggled on, simply toggle it off. And once you do that, you'll be successfully able to turn off the active status on Facebook. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.